Kirukhot Jonga Khasi Students Union, Mahatma Gandhi University, the Kajing Snow Bitar, Kilapulong, the Kajing Iakhih, Aka Arpu Lighter Kunailor, Halor Kajing Lesting, but Kajing Karnga, Jung Vice Chancellor, Banyakandu Ikirukhot KSU, Mahatma Gandhi University. Hakapor Kandai Sting, Minstep, Kirukhot Jonga KSU, Kilakang Talai, Kardop Jonga Tika School Ba, Kabadon Hariboy District. Hakatay kajing yakulmar lawan poi USI jong kabernihan balala bantem yakatay kajing kulmar bala pleno eki khardap hadu lai baje janmet bat nakaliang vice chancellor jong katay school ba ula kullar ban penbiang yakatay kajing dawa jong Samla Pule hapo khatsan singi. Hakan nyau tere kunaitung arajar arpo ar ki Samla Pule jong katay school ba kilalet ban bo ekashit hi kerpat ban yakendo yu vice chancellor ban yakren halor kimat ki bedon kam Henry hadu menta uklem pediang yakatay kashithi. Kajing temu jong ki Samla banya kendu il Vice Chancellor banya kren halor kajing kiu sindet jong kajing siu ya ka graduation certificate mismanagement but kiwe ki bakta ik khna Pule hakatai ka school ba.
He came here to solve the student problem.
Now you are telling.
Sir, we want clarification. Why is there so much difference? Why from 10? Why is it there is an 8,500? Why is it there is 21,000? And why is it that is there a 28,000? What is going on?
Okay, now
What is going on? That is what we want, sir. Give us a clarification and give us a definite fee that we should pay.
see, clarification will be given.
Now, sir, you have it in your writing, sir. Definitely. If these
No,
are
now
official,
I
if
can
these are
change.
official charges,
I can approve
If
your.
these are official charges, you must have records, sir.
Sir,
You must have records.
since
So
last
show us
month,
the
what were you
records.
doing, sir, when we give you the application?
Show us the records
Did
that
you
you've
solve any of
written.
it?
Students will be
Actually-
charged
Solve
as
any of
per,
it?
as per.
Did
Give
you
us.
solve any of it?
Actually,
We have given you the application since last month. What
It
were you
was-
doing? And now when we came here, you said,
no,
we
he
will-
does not come.
we will
For
discuss.
last
Oh,
1 month,
sir.
he did not.
Don't make us fool.
No, he was
Give us
very
Do
busy.
not, don't give us any excuse.
How about, let us solve
Since last
the-
month, what were you doing, sir?
No, you like to
You are here,
examine it.
you have to solve it.
Let us solve it. Let us solve it. If you are a student leader, you should solve it. Don't take.
No, this video should be taken. This video should be taken. No, this one should be taken. This is from the union. This should be taken.
Example. So many universities are there.
No, they are there.
They are not giving us any information about that,
My
sir.
question is, sir, is asking, and we are from Mahatma Gandhi University. We request.
We also are
What
students
is
of
your
Mahatma Gandhi,
budget?
sir.
How much you are going to pay? What is the?
No, sir.
What is student demand? That I would like to know.
It is not what we
There-
want.
No, by
It is not what we want.
No,
It is
no.
Why?
How to
That is
solve?
not
Why
your
the
lookout.
sudden- how to
You
solve the
tell
problem?
what you can pay.
No, what? How to solve?
No, sir.
No, sir. We want to know who is making the charges here, sir. That from 8,000.
We are paying the fee.
क्लियर करें! क्लियर करें! क्लियर करें! क्लियर करें! Rapulas! Rapulas! क्लियर करें! क्लियर करें! क्लियर करें! All right!
If the chancellor is not here, he is the head. But he said,
You are crying.
Yes,
see,
sir.
no, because we're tired,
I
so
am
how much
clearly
more
discussing.
should we cry out
What
to
I am
you?
saying.
How
I am
much
saying
more?
Today it will be discussed.
No.
No.
We will not talk for sure. After, we
When
are
we
tired
had
to
that
talk with the
meeting
VC.
immediately.
We are
She
tired to
said-
talk with the VC. We want the chancellor here to be, not in phone, face to face. We will talk.
Chancellor is not
No, if he's not coming, then we will do.
Where's the VC?
We'll
Where's
keep
the
on
vice
crossing.
chancellor? He is the next in charge.
Chancellor, we need to talk with him
He
face
is
to
coming.
face.
He is
not
That
in phone.
He's on the
day,
way.
Madam had said that she will look into it immediately.
Where is she
What
now?
does immediately mean? Does it mean after 2 days?
Yesterday.
It means instantly, right?
Yesterday.
No, sir.
When is he got? On Wednesday, no?
Yeah.
Wednesday. Yesterday there is the office.
No. Don't give us an excuse. We do not excuse anymore.
We demand! 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 Thank you!
And chancellor here.
March abroad! March abroad! March
Collecting the motive, then he go back to Delhi. How dare he? Is he fooling us? No. Don't fool us! You will not give the fund for freshers also. For freshersmen and all. For decoration and all.
Ma'am has
Then where do they spend the money?
that if you have anything, give her
Management not give the
No, we have told you. See,
yes,
I have
yes,
the proof. I have messaged the president of MGO also.
She did not say anything regarding.
We are tired.
Should we keep quiet?
Okay, we know that.
Everyone is good in words, but where's the action taken?
Where's action taken?
See, sir.
Everyone is keep good in
We've
words.
been keeping
That's why you are
records of everything.
give an excuse, sir.
We've written applications.
From July.
Application after application. Where's that other one?
Since July.
That one was recent.
How do you fulfill our need? I take the water. Regarding this appointment of meeting, did they appoint us? No, you are the head. Why are they here, sir? Taking it for business or for educating the students? If they want to do business and gain profit, there is some factory. Will they so much of profit? Unless the sales lot can be one.
Jap.
Marak ni tak tulang. Marak selai.
Murah bisa dapat dah.
Tak kena pila. Just nak nomor itu buat ini. No, Albat. Sino Albat. Let's stay on.
Albert saya le.
Thank you.
Everyone can sit there, man.
Our rights! We demand! Our rights! We demand! Our rights! We demand! Our rights! We demand! Our rights! March perang! Keluar gari! March perang! Keluar gari! March perang! Keluar gari! March perang! Keluar gari!
Unless we even if the chancellor calls us, we won't talk. Unless we face her, unless we yes, we want to talk. But if you can't stop, no.
It is not correct way.
No, sir.
No.
That's why we are protesting.
Oh,
What for?
yesterday.
Then what we are doing? Where do we see
My
sleeping?
question is,
What we are doing here? He said the VC is here for the student.
we will discuss.
The VC is here for the student.
Please wait.
See, last the date. When? 7th of July. Where? Where is it fulfilled? Where is it fulfilled? Did they provide us internship? No. Did they? No. This is our way.
So we have been waiting.
This is our way.
And
This is our way only to solve the
Faculty
problem.
members all are sir.
No, we have sent
That
them
is
out.
not correct way. No.
No. Yes, it's
No.
correct, sir.
Is it correct way?
Yes.
So
That is the way, sir.
That's the way, sir. We don't do that.
They are giving
They are not. That is the
But
university.
they provide us.
No, my question is,
No.
they are
No,
giving-
sir.
No. Is it correct way?
God, we see, call the chancellor. He wants
That's
to
why
face to
we're
face.
respecting them, sir. That's why we're asking them to come out.
How you
No, we don't know about that.
How you
They are here
They
just
can sit somewhere else.
because
They
of
can
us.
sit in block D also, sir. We locked the administration building. We're not angry with the
tired, sir.
teachers. We're angry with the administration.
Management. No.
So if the teachers can go up there, sir, and sit in block D. We have no issue with that. But the administration should be closed because it is the
Is
administration.
it correct way?
Yes,
No, sir. It is.
definitely.
We have to. Sir.
100%
You can't say it's
from our
correct way.
side.
Oh, maganda
Sir,
ni Rokom Jami sila.
we've spoken with them. We've given them an application. We've even met them. But where are they now?
They are leaving. without
Where are
informing
they?
us.
Sir, they told us that within 2 days they will give us an answer. But now,
Where are they?
just even a simple message. The president herself, Millie Ma'am, told us that whenever you have anything, whenever you have
Contact us personally.
grievances, text me personally, call me personally. But when we call her, sir, she...
We have the proof. I have texted her yesterday.
We waited for
She
her
didn't
here
respond to my
for
message.
hours. We waited. Upha man niki bahapo ajo masa. Te katakin sabing idam udan sini one le you. Kani mi pa na sa ni sa lap ka sebut ba kidan gi pagisiyo na do ta ta.
Sekarang kau bayar pergi anak duk sekian julah itu mentah keempat lah ban sok. Tak kebawan tak jing dikit yang mentah kesini kan. Okey, lapar ni tu. Okey tu. Bagi merespon. Kalau benda ni, jangan awak